MLB The Show 24 servers down again? If you're getting challenge failed, XP glitches, or constant disconnects, you're not alone. Thousands of players are raging online. But don't uninstall yet. In this video, I'll show you the best fixes to get back in the game fast. Stick around. The last trick is a game changer. If you've been trying to play MLB The Show 24 but keep getting booted, crashing, or losing XP, I feel you. Over the past week, players on Xbox, PS5, and even PC have been flooding social media with complaints. But after testing every possible fix, I've found the real solutions that work. Some of these are so simple you'll kick yourself for not trying them sooner. Let's dive in. Before we get technical, try these instant fixes that solve 80% of problems. Restart your game and your console. Full shutdown, not just sleep mode. Check server status at downdetector.com or on the official MLB The Show Twitter. If you see a spike in reports, it's not just you. Wait it out. Otherwise, switch to wired internet. Seriously, Wi-Fi is the worst for online play. Use Ethernet. If your game keeps crashing or you see challenge failed, do this. Reinstall the game to clear out corrupted files. Next, disable crossplay. Go to settings online, then set crossplay to off. And don't forget to check your NAT type. It needs to say open for the smoothest gameplay. Not getting XP in Diamond Dynasty? Here's the trick. Restart the game. XP often syncs after a reboot. Then check for updates. Developers drop stealth patches all the time. Still missing XP? Hit up MLB The Show support. The link's in the video description. If nothing else works, try these power user fixes. Set up port forwarding. Guide link below. Change your DNS to Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. On PS5, rebuild your database. On Xbox, clear your cache. These tweaks can seriously boost your connection and performance. Still having issues? Don't worry. There's one last trick that fixes almost every MLB The Show 24 problem, and you'll never guess what it is. A full factory reset of your router. Just hold the reset button for 30 seconds, then reconnect everything. That's it. Deep connection bugs, gone. Boom, smooth gameplay. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more fixes. Which trick worked for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you're still stuck, check out my full MLB The Show 24 troubleshooting guide. Link below. Thanks for watching. Now go hit some home runs.